In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to do expenses. When we talk about how to do expenses, we're talking about how to budget expenses, how to forecast expenses. And the best way to budget and forecast your expenses is to have a zero base. And I often tell people it's like having a grocery list. If I send you to the grocery store with $200 and say, go buy some groceries, you'll come back with some wonderful things. But if I send you to the grocery store with a list of things that actually equal $200, chances are you'll come back with exactly what we need. Managing your expenses is exactly the same way. You need to have a list. That's what we call zero-based expenses. Every single account that you're responsible for, you need to know exactly what is in that account. How much, how many are you going to buy? And the compilation of all of the different things you're going to buy make up your forecast. That's zero-based expenses.